Hello kid, hope you are doing great today. Today we are doing arrange the numerals in correct order. Let's see here. We have to write here firstly 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. I can see here 4, 5, 6, 9 and 10. And see here 1, 2, 3, 4 and 5. I can see here 1, 2, 4, 7, 8. I can see here 1, 3, 6. I can see here 8 and 9. I can see here 1, 2, 3, 4 and 6. That's all for today, kids.